Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to disassemble this rear tail shaft section from a 727 automatic transmission. Let's get to it. If you've been following the 727 teardown, you'll know that I started with a transmission that came out of either a car or a two-wheel drive truck. The tail shaft on that one was this long. The guts for it are that piece right there. So there's the output shaft. This one is a short shaft for what needs to go into my truck. So the output shaft is just this piece here. So let's get this apart. First, we're going to have to pull this yoke. This is splines. Sometimes you need to use a puller to get it off. In my case, it actually looks like it's really loose. We have to pull the speedometer drive gear out next. You can see this one's got just a plug on it, and it looks like it's been sealed with silicone. You can see the difference in gear ratio from the previous one. You can see this one's got a little bit of rust on it. We'll clean that up though. And then there's the housing. Like the previous shaft, we've got to get this governor off of here. Got a snap ring at the back. This is the short governor. This is the one out of the long. I don't believe they're any different, short of the amount of rust on one. We can check the spline. They're the same. So I can use this one. I don't even need to bother cleaning up the other one. It's a little bit pitted up here and a little here, but the teeth on the gear actually don't look bad to me. I'll get a closer look once I get it cleaned up with some solvent, but I think otherwise it's just fine. Since we've got this shaft apart, let's take the shell and the rear planet off of this shaft here, because I'm going to have to reuse those pieces with this. So on this rear planet, we've got another snap ring holding this together. So there's the rear planet. This is the thrust washer that sat right here on it. There's no wear here. And this thrust washer doesn't show really any signs of wear. So that's looking good. We have another thrust washer inside here. Again, it looks fantastic. Check for wear in here. Nothing at all. Check the inside of this gear. Everything looks great. Has a 3-pinion rear planet. Check to see if these rock at all. They're moving forward and back, but they're not rotating at all. So I can move it up and down on this pin, but they're not rocking at all. Check for any wear here. Looks pretty good. I may see if I can find like a 4-pinion planet or something for this, but in lieu of that, we'll just end up reusing this. The shell has another thrust washer here. Got a bushing in here on both ends. They look really good. Check the teeth of these gears on both sides. That all looks fantastic. This is another 3-pinion planet here. Checking these planet gears to see if they're loose. It's a little hard to tell because it wants to rattle around, but they all look really good. I'll check them for any nicks on any teeth, any broken pieces all the way around. You can see we've got it stripped down to the tail shaft. You can see this one's the short one. My truck has a divorce transfer case, so it needs a short shaft. This one's for a 2-wheel drive truck or a car. There we go. Tail shaft has been disassembled. Thanks for watching.